Are you still posting your content manually on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, LinkedIn, one by one? That takes forever. But what if you could automatically post your content to all of them at once with zero extra effort? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to automatically post your content on multiple platforms using a tool that's saving creators hours every single week. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and you can try it out for free. I'll drop the link for you in the description. Step 1. Create your account. First, click the link in the description to go to the sign-up page. Once you're on the site, click the Start Free Trial button in the top right corner. A page will appear where you can sign up using Google, Facebook, or your email address, whatever's easiest for you. With the free trial, you'll get 14 days to use the platform. During that time, you can publish up to 10 videos or audios to your favorite social platforms, completely free. Once you're in, you'll land in the dashboard. And that's where the real magic starts. Let's move on to the setup. Step 2. Connect your social media platforms. From the dashboard, go to the Connections tab. Click Add a Connection and select your source, e.g., TikTok, Instagram, or a podcast feed. Then link your account. Then add your destinations like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, or Google Drive, and link your account again. You can connect multiple platforms at once. Step 3. Create your workflow. Now let's create your first automation. This is the key step that tells the platform where to grab your content from and where to send it. After connecting your social media platforms, click on Create Workflow. You'll be asked to choose a workflow type. For most people, start with Repurpose Future Content. This means anytime you upload new content, it'll automatically get published elsewhere within 2 hours. Next, choose your source platform. This is where your content is coming from, e.g., Instagram. Then choose your destination platform, where you want the content to be posted, e.g., YouTube. Once both are selected, click Create Workflow. Boom. You've just automated your first social media posting workflow. Use the content calendar inside Repurpose to schedule posts at the perfect time for each platform. If you're ready to stop wasting time posting content manually, click the link in the description and try it free. Automate your content once and let it work for you across all platforms. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want help setting yours up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.